Hello class. Today we are going to discuss about pharmaceutics practical. Practical first we are going to discuss. Prerequisite of this practical, we must know about the fundamentals of pharmaceutics, practical aspects of pharmaceutics, how the formulations are formulated and how the pre-formulation study is done. Let's discuss about this. Objective of this presentation is to become acquainted with the practical aspects of pharmaceutical formulations. Now, today we are going to discuss about our first experiment, which is aimed at as to prepare calibration curve paracetamol using UV visible spectroscopy. Requirement for this experiment is for apparatus we require volumetric flask and pipettes for the preparation of buffer media. And in chemicals, we require the standard drug, distilled water and phosphate buffer, pH 5.8 because it is freely soluble in this. So theory behind this is, as we know that UV visible spectroscopy is one of the most frequent used technique to analyze the pharmaceutical salt. So we can go for qualitative as well as quantitative analysis. Wavelength range for this is in between 190 to 380 nanometer for UV radiation, and in between to 380 to 800 nanometer is the visible range. So as we know, our drug is having range in the UV range, ultraviolet range. So we will observe it at that particular wavelength. As paracetamol is over the counter antipyretic and analgesic drug which is widely used. So in procedure, what we have to do, firstly we will prepare the standard stock solution, and to prepare that solution, firstly we have to prepare the phosphate buffer pH 5.8. For the preparation of phosphate buffer pH 5.8, we require potassium dihydrogen orthophosphate and sodium hydroxide, and 0.2 molar concentration of both the solutions we will prepare. After that, we will take appropriate quantity of potassium dihydrogen orthophosphate and NaOH to make the phosphate buffer pH 5.8. After this, firstly we have to prepare the stock solution of the drug, and for this what we do, we will take 50 milligram of standard drug, and then we will place it into 50 ml volumetric flask, and then we will add about around 30 to 40 ml of phosphate buffer pH 5.8, and then it will be shaken, and then the volume will be made up to 50 ml with the same solvent. So it will be the stock solution. Then serial dilutions will be prepared from this stock solution, and the beer sample range for paracetamol is 2 to 10 microgram per ml. So likewise, serial dilutions will be prepared by using 2 ml from 10 microgram solution of drug. Then 4 microgram is taken, 6 microgram is taken from the standard solution, 8 microgram, and consequent, and similarly 10 microgram is taken as such, and then it will be serially diluted. And the lambda max for paracetamol, it will be observed as 275 nanometer. So to verify this, what we do, we take the highest concentration, highest drug concentration solution, and we will check it out in UV range to check out the lambda max of paracetamol. Then after checking the lambda max of paracetamol, we will put into the photometric, and then we observe our all the samples at the same lambda max. Then lastly, a graph will be plotted in between absorption and concentration by taking the concentration on x-axis and absorbance on y-axis. So in this manner we can prepare the standard calibration curve of paracetamol. And if we want to know the concentration of unknown samples, then what we have to do, we will take the absorbance of that samples, and then we plot them on the same standard calibration curve, and by this we can know the concentration of the unknown samples. In observation, what we have observed from UV visual spectrophotometer, we have the concentration with us which are known concentration. Then we will put them in the left column, and the respective absorbance which we have observed from spectrophotometer will be put into the right column, and a graph will be finally plotted. And now we came to our results that standard calibration curve of paracetamol was prepared. Thank you very much.